Before you plan to set your goal, pause. Take a deep breath. In our busy lives, we rarely stop to ask, where am I truly going, and why? This moment of stillness is where the real work begins. True goal setting starts with understanding your purpose, and with that clarity, you will be able to jot down your needs for your purpose. Imagine navigating an ocean without a compass. Your purpose is that compass. Without it, goals become empty tasks, leaving us unfulfilled. So, let's find your compass first. Ask yourself, what brings me joy? What makes me lose track of time? What are my core values? Your answers are clues to your purpose. When we set goals without clarity, we risk chasing achievements that feel hollow. A goal without a why is just an empty container. Your journey deserves meaning that is uniquely yours. Start with your why. Everything else will follow. Once you know your purpose, set goals that align with it. Your goals should feel like a natural extension of who you are, not a checklist to impress others. Forget what success looks like on social media. Define it for yourself. If connection is your value, maybe your goal is to host monthly dinners or volunteer. If creativity excites you, dedicate time each week to your art. Let your goals reflect your inner wisdom, not outside pressure. Maybe you want to learn a new skill, build healthier habits, or simplify your life. The most powerful goals resonate with your spirit and push you out of your comfort zone. When your goals are connected to your purpose, motivation comes naturally. This is how you build a life of genuine fulfillment. As you set authentic goals, fear will show up. That's normal. Fear means you care about what you're pursuing. Don't try to eliminate fear. Learn to walk with it. Try this. Write down every obstacle you can think of. Time, money, doubts, fear of judgment. Naming your obstacles takes away their power. When you see your fears on paper, they become problems you can solve. Not enough time? That's a scheduling challenge. Not enough money? That's a budgeting issue. Fear of failure? That's a chance to practice resilience. Your list isn't a stop sign, it's a map. Acknowledge your challenges honestly. This transforms you from a passive dreamer into an active creator. Look at your fears and say, I see you and I'm moving forward anyway. This is how fear becomes fuel for your journey. Now ask, what do I need to make this happen? Every journey needs the right tools and support. Look at your goals and obstacles. What skills or habits do you need? Maybe it's learning marketing, cooking, or a new routine. Small, consistent actions build your foundation. Support matters too. Asking for help is strength, not weakness. Who can support you? Friends, mentors, family, or even online communities. Seek out resources, books, podcasts, workshops. The right tools make your journey smoother. You don't have to do it all alone. Tap into the wisdom and support around you. Remember these three essentials: courage, clarity, and community. Clarity comes from knowing your why. It's your anchor. Courage is being honest about what you want and taking action, even when afraid. Celebrate every act of courage, no matter how small. Community is your support system. Share your journey with others. Find people who lift you up and believe in your potential. You don't have to walk this path alone. Embrace your purpose, act with courage, and seek out your community. Supportive spaces exist to help you. You have what you need to create a fulfilling life. Your journey starts now. You are ready, capable, and never alone.